I completed audit while I was pursuing my internship and scored a 65+% in just 2 months. And you can too. If you think that audit is tough, it is not. It's just a little bit tricky. So hello my comeback kings and queens. This is for Rathod, your mentor, friend and guide for ACCA journey. And if this is your second attempt or your third attempt or even your first attempt and you're just scared of audit, I've got you covered. I'm going to tell you all the tips, tricks and everything that I have up on my sleeve. So let's get to it. Like I always talk in my videos that the most important thing is the mindset that one needs to have. Do not take up audit and assurance as a difficult paper or a theoretical paper because it is not impossible to pass audit. 47% of students are passing it. Put on your investigator cap. Doubt everything that you see in the paper. Be that insecure partner and have that I can fix him mindset and provide the solutions to the examiner. And you'll find audit and assurance once you put on that thinking interesting. You'll find it fun to solve audit questions because all that audit needs is problem solving skills and a little bit of theoretical knowledge and you'll be good to go. Do not, I repeat, do not read the whole study text twice or thrice thinking that it will help you. It is not going to help you. And if you're taking your lectures from somewhere, do not read the study text at all. I started reading it and halfway through I realized that, oh my god, I have wasted so much of my time because audit paper is 70% subjective. So try to solve as many questions as possible because in audit and assurance, they are not checking your memory. They are not checking how much you can remember. They are just checking how much can you apply. Can you read the clues? Can you solve problems? Can you find what is wrong with things and actually make it better? That is what they're checking. Do the whole Kaplan quit. Do all the questions that are available on the ACCA study platform and make sure that you are doing mocks. That is the way to study audit. One thing that you need to have in your mind is keep your resources limited because 1 or 2 resources should be enough for you. Do not jump from Kaplan to BPP then to the ACCA exam platform. No, stick to one. Practice ke liye you can go to the exam platform of ACCA, but stick to one Kaplan. And if you're taking lectures from somewhere, stick with me. The second resource that I'm going to tell you is going to help you so much, like God helps you in that way. So the first resource for anyone who is not taking lectures from anywhere, there are free lectures on YouTube. Do it. Take Anshul Mittal for example, and if you're comfortable with English, there's Open Tuition. Both of them are really helpful and I myself did not take any courses, any lectures. I self-studied from those channels. And the second thing are the webinars. Those are the most important thing. I cannot put emphasis on them. Jitna zyada ho utne webinars attend karo. My 2 of the favorite webinars would be VIFHE Academy and Tabina's Academy, and both of them were so helpful to me. They were like God and like savior when I studied audit. At least do 3 mocks for this subject because it is 70% subjective. और अगर तुम apply करना नहीं सीखोगे, तुम सिर्फ याद करके read करके जाओगे, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Minimum से minimum 3 मॉक तो तुमको solve करने ही पड़ेंगे. And maximum तो भाई जितना करना उतना करो. There is no limit to it. And know that just doing mocks is not enough. Analyzing the mocks and learning from the mocks and actually applying the learning in the next mock is really important. So I know self-study wale logo ke liye it is very difficult to analyze the mock. There are few things that you can do. You can check, make your friends check your mock. You can make your family members, मम्मी पापा जो भी है जिनको अगर थोड़ा बहुत पता है उनसे mock check करवाओ. Answer keys रहती है उस हिसाब से उनसे check करवाओ. But audit is a tricky paper, so not every answer is the same and you cannot follow one pattern, right? So ChatGPT को करवाओ. ChatGPT को सारे instructions दो. Tell them I will make sure that I make a short video on that how to get your mocks checked by ChatGPT. But make sure कि तुम अपने mock को analyze करके अप्लाई भी कर लो एग्जाम में. 3 मॉक करके चले गए, ना चेक किया ना कुछ, अप्लाई तो किया नहीं कुछ, तो कैसे वहां पे एग्जाम में जाके सुधारोगे अपने मॉक को? यू विल कीप रिपीटिंग द सेम लूप, राइट? सो मॉक, चेकिंग, एनालिसिस, एप्लीकेशन, दिस शुड बी योर स्टेप्स. Audit is a paper where your 80-20 rule would work. So अगर तुमको पता है the most important subjects of the most important portions of the syllabus, which is internal controls, risk management, audit procedures, etc. And जब तुम webinars वगैरह देखोगे, they will let you know what are the most important parts of the syllabus and focus on that. प्रैक्टिस उसकी उतनी करो क्योंकि उसका वेटेज भी उतना रहेगा। एंड बाकी सिलेबस को छोड़ के बचाओ, डू नॉट लीव एनीथिंग, बट उतनी ही प्रैक्टिस करो जितना उसका वेटेज। अंडरस्टैंड द सिलेबस एंड वेटेज के हिसाब से चीजों की प्रैक्टिस करो और उसको दिमाग में रखो। Work smart and not hard. And in our case, we just do read the question, read the answer, and then we think that it's done. But it is not, because audit is a paper where application needs to be in place. So what you're gonna do is actually write down the answers, like type it out on your computer, because it puts your brain in that situation, in that exam pressure where you have to think critically, solve the problem, and not just read and think, हाँ ये तो मैं कर ही लेता, ये तो मुझे आता ही था। नहीं, you have to put yourself in the position to check कि क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा, क्या मैं कर पाऊंगी in the exam, and that actually makes you think like an auditor. And in the exam, no matter the questions, no matter अगर वो difficulty level 99 difficulty level का आ रहा है, but you know how to reason the problem, you know how to reach to the solution, and that's how you will score and pass, even if the paper is made so difficult, right? Listen, if you are stressing over audit and assurance, please do not, because it is not a monster at all. It's just a paper, and I know you're going to pass it. I did it with internship, with my college side by side, and still managed to score 65% in just 2 months of preparation. So if I can do it, you can too. Believe in yourself. Do not overcomplicate things, because one thing we know is, no matter the problems, no matter the challenges, we come out stronger. And my comeback kings and queens, this is just be one step in your comeback story. And we never give up. We just come back stronger, even after a major setback. So yeah, this is it for the audit video strategy. And even if you liked a video a little bit, 1%, and this video helped you and made you believe in yourself that you can pass audit, and if you have any questions, just comment down the video and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, toodle.